Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to setting contrast on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click at the menu. You can swipe this one until you can see adjust. This one, you can click on it. And then in here you can see a contrast. You can click on the contrast, and then in here you can set you can swipe this icon to left or right like this for setting the contrast like this. And after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that how to setting the contrast on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.